Hi children, good morning. How are you? All are safe, no? Yes. Now we completed 3 lessons, no? Yes, in that 3 lessons, grammar part I want to explain once again. Okay children? Yes. Shall we start? Yes children. Now here I wrote some words. Door, bookcase, bed, bathroom, sofa, oven. Shall I read? Door, bookcase, bed, bathroom, sofa, oven. Yes, here some words, some sentences I wrote. We have to select some correct words and we have to fill up in these blanks. Understood children? Shall we start? Yes. My brother was sleeping. My brother was sleeping in his... Which word I have to select? Oven? No. Bathroom? No. Bookcase? No. My brother was sleeping in his door? No. Bed? Yes, correct children. Come on, write. My brother was sleeping in his bed. Bed spelling B-E-D, bed. My brother was sleeping in his bed. Second one. My mother put the cake in the dash. What I have to write? Come on, see. My mother put the cake in the sofa. No. Bathroom. No. Bookcase. No. Bed already over. Next one. Oven. Very good. My mother put the cake in the oven. What is the spelling, children? Already we completed, no? O-V-E-N. While writing, you have to repeat. See how I am saying continuously? Like that, you also repeat after me. Then you will get. Okay, children? My mother put the cake in the oven. Yes. So, oven completed, bed completed. Yes, third one, children. I like to sit on the bookcase. You will sit there. No. Bathroom. No. Door. No. Sofa. Yes. I like to sit on the sofa. S-O-F-A. Sofa. S-O-F-A. Sofa. Yes, now children, I like to sit on the sofa. S-O-F-A. Correct? Yes. Now, sofa completed. He opened the... What is that? Bookcase? No. Oven completed, bed completed, sofa completed. He opened the bathroom? No. Door? Yes. He opened the door? Yes. What is spelling, children? D-O-O-R. Door. He opened the door? Yes. Completed, no? Yes. So, Sarah is cleaning his teeth in the... Sarah means one girl name. Okay. Sarah is cleaning his teeth. Sarah? Her teeth. Very good. Her teeth. Her teeth. Sarah is cleaning her teeth in the... Where she is cleaning the teeth? The bookcase? No. The bathroom? Yes. Sarah is cleaning her teeth in the bathroom. B-A. Come on, say children. B-A-T-H. Bath. R-O-O-M. Room. Bathroom. Sarah is cleaning her teeth in the bathroom. Okay, children? Yes. Now we are taking correct words. No. Last one. Bathroom also completed. Put the tick. Now I put the book in the. Yes. Oven completed. Sofa completed. Bed completed. Bathroom completed. Door completed. What is the remaining? What is the last one? Bookcase. I put the book in the bookcase. Bookcase means bookshelf. Okay. In the kitchen cupboard, kitchen shelf, kitchen case is a separate. In the kitchen shelf, we will keep pans, pots, spoons, glass, plates. In the bookshelf, in the study room, it will be there. No. In the bookshelf, bookcase, there we will arrange different types of books, everything. No, like that. So I put the book in the bookcase. Shall I write here? B-O-O-K, book, C-A-S-E, bookcase. Completed, children? All the words completed, no? Yes. I am reading once again. Come on, repeat. My brother was sleeping in his bed. Repeat, children, after me. My mother put the cake in the oven. I like to sit on the sofa. He opened the door. Sarah is cleaning her teeth in the bathroom. I put the book in the bookcase. Completed, children, this exercise? Did you understand now? Yes. One more. 3 lessons completed now. In that 3 lessons, true or false, I am reading here. See here, in my family lesson is there no Mohan's family? Come on, recap, remind. Yes. In my family lesson, Maya is Mohan's mother. Maya is Mohan's mother. Correct? True or false? Maya is Mohan's mother? No, it is wrong. So that's why false. Who is Maya then? Maya is Mohan's sister. Isn't it? Yes. In my family, Maya is Mohan's mother. It is wrong. So false you have to write. Now second one. In my family, in the same lesson, Mohan's mother looks after him. In my family, Mohan's mother looks after him. Correct, no, children? Mother is looking after all family members, no? She's taking care, she's supporting. Okay, she's helping. Who is helping? Maya's mother. Maya's mother or Mohan's mother? Same. Okay. Mohan's mother. Not only Mohan's mother. Every mother is helping to all. Okay. Yes. In my home. Now second lesson. In my home, there are 2 beds in Amina's bedroom. In my home, there are 2 beds in Amina's bedroom. One bed is Amina's. Another bed is Amina's brother's. Yes, remind children. Correct? Yes, true. Now, in my home, same lesson, second lesson. There are lots of books in the kitchen cupboard. Yes, in the home lesson, there are lots of books in the kitchen cupboard. In the kitchen cupboard, books are there? No. Then, pots, pans, glasses, plates, remaining all there? No. In the books are there in the book cupboard? No, it is wrong. So, false. Next, third lesson. Best bird is there? No. So, in best bird, The owl can dive and the duck can slide. Come on, remind. Owl can dive? No, owl is flying. No, it looks long way. It can see in night time also. But here they gave in the best bird, the owl can dive. Done. In the best bird lesson, who can dive? Yes, duck can dive. But here, owl. It is wrong, no? Yes. Now the duck can slide on the ice. See, the duck can slide. It is correct? No. Then who are sliding in the ice? Yes, penguin is sliding. It is wrong, no, children? Yes. So, false. Okay, children? Yes. Now, shall we go third bit? Okay. Now, here, blanks over and true or false also over. So, next one, here, I am writing words. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, children. Now, next one. Okay, third bit. Write the names of the animals in the table. So, here some animals are there. And here different tables are there. Here different columns are there. We have to divide them. Here write the names of the animals in the table. Some animals can go more than one list. Here we can write more than. Okay, more we can write in the table. Okay, here duck. See here. Come on, say duck, cow, elephant, dog, deer, bear, rabbit, cat, parrot and goat. Here some animals are there and birds also there. Here some different types of columns are there. Here, okay, hoof. Hoof means animals. Animals we can write. Okay, some other animals we can write. Here beak. Beak means bird have beak, no? Like that. Here, first this I will start. Don't confuse. Second column I will start. Beak. Beak means where is the beak? Means bird's beak. Means nose, like a nose, beak. So, where are the birds? Come on, tell me. Duck. Yes. I am writing duck here. Beak, no. Duck have beak. D-U-C-K. Duck. Put the tick. Now, see here. Next one. Cow, elephant, dog, deer, bear, rabbit, cat. One more bird. Parrot. So, I am writing parrot here. So, fur means long hair. So, bear completed, no children? Yes. Bear, I put the tick. Okay. See here. And next, dog also have a long hair. Okay. I am writing dog. Dog also have a long hair. Next one, here I am writing fur, no. Fur, bear, fur, long hair. Next, here bear I am writing and dog also long hair. Next one, rabbit, white hair, no children? Yes, fur means smooth silky hair. Okay, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. I am putting the tick. Now here all over now. Dog over, rabbit over. Next one, bear over. So, what is the next one? See here. Bear, dog, rabbit. Now, fur means we have to write this all. Now, next one, come on, see that. One more small one. It mews. What is that? Long silky hair, like short silky hair, or even the fur. What is that? It mews. Come on. Yes, children. Cat. I am writing cat. In the fur, cat. Fur means long silky hair like a smooth. Okay. Bear, dog, rabbit, cat. Okay. Yes, cat also. I am putting the tick. Now here, paw. Paw means like this. Paw means legs. Very smooth. Very soft. Paws. Same. Just like a cat. Like a tiger. Paw. Okay. Now cat also can write. We can write cat also. Okay. More animals can write. Okay. Now here. Now dog also have a paw. Yes. I am writing dog also paw. Paw means just like a tiger paws. Okay. Cat, dog. D-O-G, dog I am writing. And here bear also having paw. Okay. B-E-A-R. Bear. So this one. Now trunk. What is that? Trunk means nose. What is that? Trunk means like a long nose. Which one? I know you will say. What is that? Elephant. Long nose and mouth also. You can eat, no? Yes. Elephant. Trunk. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Okay. Now elephant in the trunk I am writing. Now you can come in the hoof. Hoof means some other animals can write. Okay, what is left? Cow. Cow is left. No, we didn't write anything. Cow is a animal. Next, hoof. Other animals. Cow. C-O-W. C-O-W. Cow. So, who next? Which animal left? See. Deer. Yes, very good children. Deer. Okay, over. Next, what is the left? Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. See here. Now, table completed now, children. Hoof means other animals can write. Cow, deer, goat. Beak means like a bird's beak. It can eat and it can smell it. No. Beak. Duck, parrot. Come on, repeat, children. Fur, long hair like a smooth hair. Bear, dog, rabbit, cat. Next, paw. Cat, dog, bear. Next, trunk. Elephant. Only elephant. Okay, children. Now understand? Yes. Now, here some sentences are there. Some other bit we can go. Okay, we can move other exercise. Okay, children, shall we? Yes, children. Now, can, cannot. Can means we can do that work. We can do that work. We know how to do. We can do it. No problem. Now, cannot. No, we cannot do that work. No. So, we cannot do that work. Don't know how to do and we cannot. Okay, come on. I'll say the difference between this. I can, I can't. See here, I can means I can do that work. Yes, I can do that work. Cannot. No, I cannot do that work. How to do? I don't know. See, I cannot do that work. Okay, now see here. For example, a horse dash ride a bike. See, come on, imagine. A horse. That is animal, no? A horse dash ride a bike. Ride a bike. It can do that work. Horse can ride. Horse can ride a bike. No, it cannot ride a bike. No, so cannot. Understood now? Horse is an animal. How can it will be? Yes, we have to write a horse cannot. Okay, no, it won't do. So, a horse cannot ride a bike. Shall I write here? Cannot. C-A-N-T. Cannot. Okay. A horse. Come on, repeat, children. A horse cannot ride a bike. Understood? Now second one. A baker. Baker means the man who works in bakery. Bakery means where you will get cake items, biscuits, chocolates, different ice creams. There that shop is bakery. Okay. There baker will work. A baker dash make a bread. A baker dash make a bread. He know how to do the cake and he know how to do the bread. Yes, he know. So a baker can. A baker can. Can we have to write. A baker can make a bread. He know how to do that. Baking bread, baking cake. Okay. So we have to write C-A-N. Can. Understood, children? Yes. A horse cannot ride a bike. A baker can make a bread. He know how to do that. Okay. Next. A tiger dash run very fast. Yes. Like deer also. And which bird? Ostrich bird also can run fast. Yes. A tiger cannot run fast. No, for catching deer it will run very fast. Okay, a tiger can. Yes, we have to write can. C-A-N, can. A tiger can run very fast. Understood, children? Yes, it will do that work. Running, tiger knows. Okay, and that too very fast. And that fourth one. An elephant dash fly. An elephant dash fly. Elephant can fly? No. You can fly? No. I can fly? No, I cannot. So like that, an elephant cannot fly. Yes. C-A-N-T. Cannot. An elephant cannot fly. Understood, children, now? Yes. You dash touch the sun. You can touch the sun? No. I can touch the sun? No. No one touch the sun. So, you cannot. Okay. Cannot. C-A-N-T. Cannot. You cannot touch the sun. Understood? Now, a parrot dash talk. In the lesson, parrot can talk. The owl can hoot. Okay? A duck can dive. This all is there, no? Yes, a parrot can talk. Very smooth and sweet voice. Okay? A parrot can. C-A-N. Can. A parrot can talk. Next, a penguin dash slide on the ice. Who are sliding in that lesson? Correct. A penguin can slide on the ice. Yes, can. C-A-N. Can. Yes. Last one. You dash wear a hat on your feet. Hat we have to wear on the head. But here what they gave? You dash wear a hat on your feet. On your feet you will wear hat. Then where? You have to wear on the head. Now here see. You dash wear a hat on your feet. You cannot wear hat on your feet. Cannot. Yes. Understood, children? Yes. A horse can't ride a bike. A baker can make a bread. A tiger can run very fast. An elephant cannot fly. You cannot touch the sun. A parrot can talk. A penguin can slide on the ice. You cannot wear a hat on your feet. So, now we understood can, cannot. Understood, no children? Same like this way, I will give in the worksheet. You have to write, children. See here. Are the sentences true or false? You have to write. In my family. So first, second, third lesson grammar part. Just a few bits I gave in the grammar paper. In the worksheet I gave. Okay. For reminding. Okay. In my family lesson, Maya is Mohan's sister. True or false you have to write. Okay. In my home. In my family. One more. In my family, father looks after him. Father looks after all. Okay. Next. In my family, father looks after all. Next. In my home, pants are there in book cupboard. Okay. Yes. In my home, pants are there in books cupboard. True or false you have to write. In my home, same lesson. There are 4 beds in the bedroom. In my home, not in your home. In my home lesson. There are 4 beds in the bedroom. Correct or wrong you have to write. Next, in the best bird, the parrot can hoot. Owl can talk. It is true or false you have to write. In the best bird, in the same lesson, the penguin can slide. Penguin can slide. You have to write true or false here. Now, just now, I explained can, cannot, no. Like that. So, complete the sentences with can, cannot. I dash sing a song. I dash sing a song. Second one, cat dash fly. Third one, a barber dash make a table. A barber dash make a table. The man who works in the salon, haircut, the shop. A barber dash make a table. Yes, see here. Can, cannot. You have to write. A deer dash run fast. Okay, now you dash wear a cap on your feet. You dash wear a cap on your feet. This is the worksheet, children. And very important, every time I am saying like that. See here, worksheet, while writing worksheet, you have to write in the middle your name. Don't forget. Okay, children. This is the worksheet you have to send to me. Okay? Done. So, next class, we will meet in the next lesson. Okay? Bye, children. Bye. Akhil. Bye, children.